excitement level is the same between us two. Seriously.
And I mean, everybody has been saying this one thing, it's a unanimous thing. That when they saw the teaser and when they saw the trailer, everybody seems to be saying that it's looking like a nice big budget thriller film, and it's edgy and the content is nice, and they're liking all the characters in the teaser and trailer. Very encouraging for us. This is just the first perception of it. The show comes out in 10 September, and there's more to come. The faces are
The character's name have been it's just to create the buzz.
Yeah.
It's the same story, but when everything else is fresh. I don't understand. That's a compliment, man.
It's a huge compliment. Thank you. So yes, it's not a serial. It's not a film. It's a web series. It's a web version of the Jamai Raja that you see, Jamai 2.0, and you'll love it.
Please watch it on 10 September.
Z5.
C5.
भैया जी टीवी पे क्यों नहीं? हम छोटे लोग कहाँ से देखेंगे?
आप जिनको आप खुद को छोटा बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग ना हो तो हमारे को वजूद ही नहीं है। तो आप ZTV पे आपने पूरा जमाई राजा देखा, थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्चा करिए और Z5 डाउनलोड कीजिए और देखिए 10 तारीख से जमाई 2.2।
And you can watch it anywhere.
That's
it's not heavy on your pocket. Also. Pondicherry, man.
So we were in Pondicherry and Le Pondi was the resort that we were shooting at. So yeah, it is Le Pondi. सही पकड़े। That's it.
Wow, thank you so much for doing this for us. It was nice to have this conversation with you. And all the very best. We're looking forward to the show.
It's the same, ditto. I won't have anything different to say. It's the same thing. The genre is completely different, जैसे इसने कहा. It's a thriller genre now, and relationships बदल गए हैं, handle करने का तरीका बदल गया है, look बदल गई है, the way we've shot it has changed. So everything has actually changed from that. किरदार हमारे more or less
Same तो नहीं है.
सेम तो नहीं है, but okay, तो मैं अपनी जैसे बात करती हूँ. She's a single woman and she's a man also. She has very I mean she's one of the क्या कैसे समझाऊँ, one of the biggest businesswoman or businessman I suppose the country might be having, and she's independent, she's an opportunist, she's very intelligent, she is shrewd, and but everything is real and honest. There's no negative, there is no positive in the serial.
In terms of styling, we are completely different, as you must have seen in the trailer. TV पे there's a niceness about the character. There's a nicety, and what you wear. So वो सब बिल्कुल change होके it's a modern, like I said, it's a modern version of all three of us. Like Achint has all gone western. She was पहले भी western थी, but she was in saris and I was in normal kurti and jeans, like a typical TV western thing that we call the western girls. But here it's I think I have inculcated more of Nia styling into Roshni's character, and plot again. It's the same rich girl and the mother-daughter are same, but a different perspective from the life, of life, and all the things have changed, but more or less, yeah. The
कहानी बिल्कुल भी सेम नहीं है. Yeah.
जमाई देखो तो एक आइकॉनिक सीरियल रहा अपने टाइम का, फासिल पहले बात करो तो जमाई 2.0 नाम है, स्टोरी लाइन जो सबसे बेस्ट लगी आपको करना चाहिए, कास्ट भी सेम है.
हमने तो कुछ भी नहीं पूछा, हमें पता चला हम तीनों कर रहे हैं, हम तो तीनों को कहा कि हम तीनों कर रहे हैं. Like हम तीनों को अलग अलग फोन कॉल्स गए होंगे, and I think all three of us were like yeah 3 of us are doing it. I mean ये अपना प्रोजेक्ट है, इतना ज्यादा मतलब
there was
बहुत
no need
भरोसा
to
है
say
इसमें.
no to it. It was just
Yeah.
that 3 of us had to have the same dates and come together for the same project at the same time. So we did, and I think it was the biggest achievement to get 3 of us together at the same time. Best चीज़ है, OTT platform, it has gone a notch higher in terms of its storyline and everything, और limitations नहीं है. So the best part is that it's not a sequel on TV. Otherwise same ही रह जाता.
more or less same
It would have been a season 2, but it would have been the same atmosphere. But the buzz is because it's a different avatar of all 3 of us with the same people, and so I guess.
मेरी बहुत सारे हैं, तुम बताओ.
I think Ravi and I have gotten immense love as Jodi of coming back together and having the same pictures, and Achint has come back, and people are really saying that she is nobody can replace her as Didi. You know, those are the comments that, and it's true. You know, you can't take that away from her. So everybody is so powerful in their characters. I'm so glad the trailer shows it so nicely and very well. So it is great.
मैं वही कह रही हूँ,
इंडस्ट्री से कुछ मिला हो आपको?
मतलब इंडस्ट्री से बहुत कुछ मिला है मुझे. नहीं, क्यूरोसिटी लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा है. बहुत लोगों ने फ़ोन करके, मैसेजेस करके, लाइक मेरी टीम है जो मैं MX प्लेयर के लिए भी कुछ कर रही हूँ, तो उन सबके मैसेजेस आए हैं. यू नो द पोस्टर्स आर लुकिंग ब्रिलियंट, द ट्रेलर इज़ ब्रिलियंट, द टीज़र मुझे पहली बार आया था, इट्स सो पैक एंड ब्यूटीफुल. तो बहुत सारे अभी तक पॉजिटिव फीडबैक ही आ रहे हैं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू.
किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल?
Oh wow, oh wow. So we have a brilliant technical team, our director Sashant and our DOP Madhu. And yeah, they the way they have worked ना, मतलब वो look ही अलग है. हम वेब शूट कर रहे हैं और इसकी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है. मतलब थॉट से भी, इमोशन से भी, आइडेंटिटी से भी हम वेब शूट कर रहे हैं एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
It's releasing on 10th of September on Z5, so please watch it, guys, and you'll not be disappointed. I'm
Yeah,
sure. Thank you.
Z5 it is, 10th of September, Jamai 2.0, yeah. See you there.
Thank you. Aarti.